Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make this basic ricotta cheesecake, only using 6 ingredients. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 pounds of ricotta cheese. I buy them in 16-ounce tubs, and I've got 2 here. 4 eggs at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of plain breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cups of sugar. Let me show you how we're going to get this together. In an 8-inch springform pan, or if you want to use a 9-inch springform pan, you can. And you can see how they just pop out. But you're going to lift this off of your ricotta cheesecake once it's baked. So let's clamp it back together. On the inside, I'm using a spray, but if you want to use a butter or a shortening to get the sides and the bottoms, you be my guest. Make sure you get it really well. Adding those breadcrumbs, toss them around till we get it on the bottom and on the sides of our springform pan. This is what's going to help that cheesecake sticks as it crawls up the side of your springform pan during baking. Disregard any breadcrumbs that do not stick and throw out. In a large mixing bowl, I've been adding the ricotta cheese. Add the sugar with a handheld mixer on medium speed. I'm going to beat these 2 ingredients until smooth. Now we're going to add 1 egg in at a time. And as you can see, I've added my egg into a measuring cup. It makes it a lot easier to incorporate the eggs into our mixture here. Now there's an art to this. As you know, I haven't beat it very long, and I'm going to add the 2nd egg. And we're going to incorporate it. The trick is not to overbeat your batter here while adding your eggs. Add the 3rd. And the 4th. You've got your eggs well blended into your ricotta sugar mixture, and that's perfectly fine. That's all you need to do. Add the flour, the salt, and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I know I didn't show you the vanilla in the beginning ingredients. My bad. So now we've got 7 ingredients here in our ricotta cheesecake. With a spatula, be sure you go around the edge of your bowl, scrape down the edge of your bowl. Very important to get all your ingredients well combined. Look what a beautiful batter that is. Oh, and it smells so delicious. I've got my oven preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake on the middle rack for 1 hour and 15 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes or until the center is jiggly. Use your timer and no peeking. I've baked my ricotta cheesecake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm going to show you how this jiggles. You see how the center jiggles just slightly when you shake it gently? That's an indicator that this ricotta cheesecake is finished baking, and I'm going to cool it over here on a cooling rack. I've got a plastic knife. Everybody who knows me knows I love using plastic knives when loosening the edge of anything around its pan, because these plastic knives, they're not going to scratch up your pan. Save your springform pan from being scratched up. We're going to go around the edges until it's nice and loose. Yeah, now that is perfect. After 1 hour of cooling, seal the tin foil around the edges of the springform pan and refrigerate overnight. It's the next morning and I'm removing the tin foil off of our ricotta cheesecake, and that looks fabulous. We're going to release the springform side, and whoa, look how beautiful that turned out. Fantastic. Using a knife, we're going to just slice right into it. I like to go all the way across and divide it into halves. I like to then divide it into fourths. And you can divide it in half again because it's very rich. And then in half again, and look how fantastic that is. Oh yeah, ricotta cheesecake. Adding it right here on a plate. Going to add a fanned strawberry that I cut in slices. And now we gotta give this a try. Oh yeah, here goes. Wow. Absolutely perfect, y'all. Look at the inside. So simple and easy to make. Light, delicious. I'm Dorada with Foods 101. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. I'll catch you lovely people later.